What's up guys, Tony here with HighTechCheck, and today we're going to be taking a look at a rather large unboxing. It's going to be the Jimtab LED portable projector. This model is the M18 version. You can get this on Amazon right now. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check it out yourself. And if you do like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link to purchase this or anything else on Amazon, because that helps me keep making videos for you guys. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. I've been trying to do some projectors that were portable and more budgeted instead of, the $3,000 4K ones for you guys, just in case to kind of give you a little more variety. This particular one is a native 1080p version, so that's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and get inside the box here. I think those are your accessories. We will put that off to the side for just a second. Let's go ahead and take out the projector. It's packed really nice. You don't have to worry about anything getting damaged on the way to you. All right, so here is the projector. It's just a square, which is not bad. It's got like a brushed material over here and kind of like a rubbery feeling. Not really rubbery, but like a matte feeling over here. So here you have your focus and your keystone and all of your menu buttons over here, your power button. Here's the lens. It's pretty big, as you can see. I'll cover that up again for now. Here you have your IR receiver. You have your little adjuster down at the bottom here to raise it up and down if you need to. Here you have your little cooling vent. It brings air in and it pushes it out the back. You have your little SD card reader here, your AV in, and your headphone jack. Here you have another IR receiver. You have your VGA port. You have some USBs and your HDMI ins 1 and 2, your power plug. And I believe this is a speaker here. And then just another vent on the side here. Okay, so let's go over the accessory box here. So here you have your remote control. It's nice and small and compact, and it looks like it will glow. Here you have your power cable. Comes with an HDMI cord. And here's your AV cord for your composite cables, the red, white, and yellow. And you have your manual. And that's it for the accessories. So let's go over some of the specs real quick. Again, this is a 1080p native LED projector. The contrast ratio is 5,000 to 1. It's capable of a 300-inch display. It has 4,500 lumens. Now the projector has a low power consumption and the life of the LED lamp is about 50,000 hours. It has a 3-year warranty and the noise from the fan is about 45 decibels. Now that we've gone over some of the specs and the unboxing, let's find out how good the picture is. Okay, so first I want to show you how quickly this projector turns on versus other bulbs that take, time to warm up and, come on. So again, this is the LED. I'm going to push the power button. And as you can see right here, it's fully on. It doesn't take any time whatsoever to heat up or brighten. It's at full brightness right away. So right now this is in a pretty brightly lit basement, and the projector is projecting onto a screen that's about 146 inches. So this gives you an idea of what it would look like in a brightly lit room. Now, before I show you any of the videos of how good the quality is, I want to go ahead and run through the menu real quick. Okay, so here we have the picture mode. You have standard, soft user, you can change, the contrast, brightness, color, sharpness, or you could use the preset modes. I usually like vivid. So the color temperature, we have medium, warm, and you can change it yourself. You can change the aspect ratio, auto, 4:3 or 16:9. I like to keep 16:9. Noise reduction. Projector direction. Now this can be mounted upside down. It does have mounts underneath for that. Right now I have it set to front. And as I said before, you can also change this so you could do, rear on disk, front on ceiling, and so on. And you have reduced display. Besides the picture, you have your sound mode. You have the standard. You can change the hertz. Preset modes. I'll just keep it on standard. You have your balance. And auto volume. You have a sleep timer. Here's the on-screen display language. We have English right now, factory restore, on-screen display blending, duration, blue screen, and software update through USB. And that's pretty much it for the menu. So let's go ahead and change the source. Right now I have something in HDMI 1, which is my Amazon Fire TV. Okay, so here I'm going to show you one of my YouTube videos. This is in 4K, but the projector only does 1080p, so it's going to, show you in 1080p.
Wow. I think I'm right. That wasn't even floored. That's awesome.
So the projector only has one speaker, but it does get pretty loud.
Experience from first purchase all the way to delivery of our Tesla Model 3. So please bear with me for this first part. It's only 3 minutes long, and then we'll get into the actual portion where we take delivery of the car, and then I give you my thoughts and some tips and things that you might have thought of when you're going to purchase your Tesla.
So my theater room is set up for my projector. We watch, movies and such, and it is pretty blacked out. So this is what you can expect in a dark room. It's plenty bright enough. And it looks really clear. Like I said, again, this is on a 146-inch screen, and it can get up to a 300-inch display. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and let you get up close to the screen to kind of get an idea of what the pixelation looks like. So here's what the pixels look up close to the screen. Not very big. It's comparable to other 1080p projectors. And when you're sitting from further back, it definitely looks really clear. The colors look represented pretty nice. And again, from sitting back as you would normally, it looks super clear. You can't see the pixels at all. So this is just a video of a black background just to kind of show you the contrast between just a screen that doesn't have anything projected onto it versus what the projector can produce. And the darks look pretty good. So here's another one of my projectors that I have. This one uses a regular lamp. It takes time to heat up and get to full brightness. This one seems to kind of have a more washed out look. The contrast ratio isn't as good, but it'll give you a good idea of how much better the Jimtab is versus this Epson LCD projector that I have. This projector also has a 3500 lumen bulb. So if you look closely at the video here, you can definitely tell that the Jimtab on the left has vibrant reds, vibrant colors. darker darks in the seats versus the Epson's washed out color on the right. So as you can see here, there definitely is a difference between the contrast ratio of the LCD with the regular bulb versus the Jimtab projector. There's definitely more brightness on the screen in the blacks, and that's not what you want. You want the darker darks, such as the Jimtab projector produces. Okay, so here's another drawback to the regular bulb LCD projector. They need to cool off after using them for a while to have them come on right away, whereas the LED bulb comes on right away no matter how long you watch it or when you turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the regular bulb projector to let you see how long it takes to turn on. I'm turning on now. So as you can see, it's very dark. It has to kind of ramp up the brightness. It can't come on at full brightness because that's just how the lamp is. And it's pretty much at full brightness right now. So it's not instant. Like I said, the longer you have your projector on, the more time it has to cool off before it can come on again, whereas the LED does not have to do that. Okay, so here I want to show you some of the other capabilities of the projector. You can play video files, music, show photos, text through USB, through the USB port. So right now I have a USB plugged in with some videos. So then what you do is you click source, go to USB, and then it'll bring you to the root menu of your USB. Choose the videos you want to play. You hit play on the remote control, and it'll go ahead and start playing those. This video is also done in 4K. As you can see, the picture is really clear. The colors are really nice, and it's got a good contrast to it. See how green the grass is? It's very sharp and crisp. And in addition to the USB, you can also play videos and show pictures, play music, and look at text through the SD card slot. So like I was telling you before, the projectors that have a regular bulb tend to take a while to turn on. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn this projector off instantly. There's no downtime. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on again. Turn it on right now. And it's on instantly. There's no warming up, waiting for the bulb to get to full brightness. It's just instant on. It's awesome. It's also very easy to adjust the focus and the keystoning. This just rotates left and right, and it makes it really nice for you to focus because it doesn't move really quick, so it's nice and easy to focus. And then for the keystoning, you just move it left and right, and that'll move the screen up and down to kind of adjust the screen if this isn't level with your screen. Say if you had it on the floor and the screen was higher up, you would use the keystoning to make that correction. So that's pretty much it for the Jimtab LED portable projector. What are my thoughts? I would go ahead and give this a thumbs up. It's not very big, not very heavy. I'd say it's just as heavy as any projector of its size. As far as portability, definitely manageable if you want to take it outside and use it for, movie night on your house or a huge screen that you might have a portable screen. The color reproduction is really good. Contrast ratio is definitely good, especially for the price you get. The fan noise, definitely you're not going to notice it when you're going to be watching videos. It's not super loud. It's just good enough to keep the projector cool enough to operate. As far as the sound, it would be nice if it had stereo sound. It only has the one speaker in the back, but it's definitely loud enough, especially if you're going to be using it outside. You also do have the option to add extra speakers because it does have that headphone jack. So you can add your own speakers for outdoor use, and if you're using it for inside your home, if you have a theater system, you can use it with your theater system, no problem. Or, like I said, if you really wanted to add some extra speakers to make it a little louder, it does have that headphone jack built in. So, like I said before, I will be putting a link in the description below in case you guys want to check it out yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.